Hey, this is Larry the farmer, and we're on our last field of wheat, and looks like we have some company going across the field. Mama deer and her little baby tagging along behind. How cute is that?
Very cute.
Okay, you can leave a corner again.
I might get that. Yeah, I got it.
Good job. And right here we have the next generation learning how to drive the combine. That's pretty awesome. My oldest boy, who's 9 years old. At the controls, actually sitting on my lap. It's been a good harvest.